Hello student, today we are going to learn how a grinding machine is specified. Specification of grinding machines. This is the sketch of a bench grinder. This is the grinding wheel. This is grinding wheel. This is grinding wheel. This is work rest. This is work rest. This is the spindle of the grinding wheel. This is the distance between two grinding wheels. This is the distance of grinding wheel from the base plate. This is the distance of grinding wheel spindle from the base plate. This is the area of the base plate. This is the motor. In spindle of the motor, two grinding wheels are mounted. Okay. Now, what is the specification of grinding machine? Number one, type of grinding machine. We know there are two types, precision grinder and non-precision grinders. Precision grinders, again cylinder grinder, surface grinder, special purpose grinder, tools and cutter grinders, etc. Non-precision grinders, again floor stand and bench grinder, portable and flexible grinder, etc. Number one, types of grinding machine. Which types of the grinding machines? Okay. Number two, size of grinding wheel. Size of grinding wheel means outer diameter of the grinding wheel, thickness of the grinding wheel, and also inner dia or bore diameter of the grinding wheel, etc. Okay. Number three, grinding wheel specification. That means types of abrasive, types of gain size, which types get use, structure of the grinding wheel and bond use, and also manufacturer's code number, etc. Number 4, distance between two grinding wheels in millimeter. Okay. Number 5, distance of the wheel center from the base plate in millimeter. Okay. That means if this is the spindle, this is the wheel center, distance from base plate, this is the distance from the base plate of the wheel center. Okay. Number 6, spindle diameter in millimeter. What is the diameter of the spindle in millimeter? Number 7, spindle speed in RPM, revolution per minute. Number 8, kilowatt means power of the diving motor. Okay. Number 9, weight of the machine in ton. Okay. Number 10, floor space required in square meter. All of these are specification of grinding machines. Okay, thank you.